1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. Price, $24,750. Location, Oklahoma, USA. The 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is one of those classic luxury cars that instantly commands attention the moment it appears on screen. Finished in stunning Arctic white with a classy gray interior, this legendary roadster represents everything people love about vintage Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. Even after nearly 4 decades, the design still looks elegant, powerful, and incredibly expensive. The biggest attraction of this beautiful 560 SL is the fact that it comes with 2 tops. Owners can enjoy the removable hardtop for a sophisticated grand touring experience or drop the convertible soft top for unforgettable open-air cruising. This flexibility made the R107 generation one of the most iconic luxury convertibles ever produced. Whether parked at a classic car event or driving down the highway, this car creates a presence that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. The heart of this machine is its fuel-injected V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The smooth acceleration, deep exhaust tone, and effortless highway cruising remind everyone why the 560 SL became such a symbol of success during the 1980s. Back then, owning a Mercedes-Benz like this was considered a statement of prestige, wealth, and timeless style. Today, it still delivers that same feeling every time the engine starts. The interior is packed with premium luxury features that were far ahead of their time. Heated seats, power windows, air conditioning, and the classic Becker Grand Prix radio create an authentic vintage driving atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and refined. The dashboard layout, analog clock, and elegant instrumentation show how Mercedes-Benz focused on craftsmanship instead of unnecessary distractions. Every detail inside this car feels solid, luxurious, and built to last forever. The exterior styling is equally impressive with chrome trim, quad headlamps, Bosch fog lights, and the famous 15-inch Gullydeckel wheels completing the iconic look. This particular example also includes a California car history, adding even more desirability for collectors and enthusiasts. Clean R107 models continue to rise in popularity around the world because they combine reliability, luxury, and timeless design in a way very few classic cars can achieve. The 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL is more than just an old convertible. It is a rolling piece of automotive history that captures the golden era of German engineering. For anyone dreaming about owning a true luxury classic with style, power, and prestige, this Arctic white roadster could easily become the ultimate garage centerpiece. And at $24,750, many collectors would say this timeless icon still offers incredible value in today's classic car market.